Hinship particulars with you ready. So in Hinship, for dry docking, we have and grounding. Basically, we have uh, four questions which are there. Question number 94, 95, 96. These deal with Hinship dry docking, and 97 deals with grounding of Hinship. These are all Hinship questions which are in our syllabus. So let us start with Hinship. So I'm starting off with question number 95. Now, in Hinship red docking questions, uh, all questions become very lengthy. All right. And remember, data changes with draft. With waterline, the data will change. Up till now, the data was remaining constant. Now, in Hinship, data changes with draft. So you need to find out. So we find out fresh data for each water line. Fresh data will be required for each water line. So this will be our modus operandi. हर वाटर लाइन पे हम फिर से शुरू करेंगे, फिर से पूरा का पूरा डेटा निकालेंगे. मतलब इट्स लाइक अ ongoing process. And remember, each part of a question is an independent question. So you start again from initial condition. Each part is not connected to the other. Remember that. So let us start with question number 95. MV Hinship is displacing. So W initial 9540 tons, and she has a trim, initial trim of 0.78 meters by stern. And this vessel in this condition has got to be dry docked for a bottom inspection. KG is given to us as 7.826 meters. FSC is given to us as 0.164 meters. We have to calculate the following. First, GM fluid of the vessel before entering dry dock. GM fluid before entering dry dock. Which waterline are we talking about?
One, sir.
Around one, sir.
We're talking about one. All right. So we are fighting about initial GM जिसके साथ जहाज अंदर घुसा. उस वक्त जहाज की KM क्या थी, KG क्या थी. So basically मुझे इस डिस्प्लेसमेंट की चाहिए with this for this displacement. I'm picking up the value from the book. The value is 8.9. You know how to take out Km, I hope, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Km is so much, kg, which remains constant, is so much. So minus kg. So tell me GM solid. So the GM solid comes as equal to 1.144. अब FSC माइनस कर दो. Will give you GM fluid.
Sorry, your your video is getting blurred, sir.
My video is getting blurred for everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir,
sir.
for everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. तो वॉइस भी क्लियर नहीं आ
तो
रही।
वॉइस
अच्छा.
डिस्टर्ब हो रही है.
अच्छा, just a second. Let me just check. मेरे 5G को क्या हो गया?
Now it's looking okay, sir. It's looking clear, sir, now.
It's okay now for everybody.
Video is okay, sir. Your voice is still broken.
वीडियो
Voice is still not okay. Okay, let me just leave and come back. How is it now?
Now okay, sir.
Oh, it's okay.
Now, okay, sir. Sir, can we start from beginning, sir? क्योंकि I दिख नहीं रहा.
I'm doing question number 95. The data changes with draft. Fresh data will be required for each water line. I've written the data for the question number 95. So displacement is given, trim is given, kg given, FSC given. We have to find the GM fluid for water line number 1. So Km we find out, minus the kg will give me GM solid, minus the FSC will give me the GM fluid. So I'm finding out GM fluid now. So GM
सर इसमें
fluid,
डेटा के लिए कौन सी कंडीशन देखनी है? जैसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 में
डेटा देखनी है जब भी तो up till now data was remaining constant. Now data will not be constant. Basically, अब डेटा constant नहीं होगा. So GM fluid comes as 0.98. This is the GM of the vessel with which the vessel enters the dry dock, which will undergo a virtual loss. So therefore, now we come to the second part. Second part says the VGM of the vessel when her keel takes the blocks all along the length of the vessel. तो VGM कौन सी वाटर लाइन की बात हो रही है? VGM of the vessel when her keel takes the blocks all along the length of the vessel. Which waterline are we talking?
Three, sir.
Okay. So 3 की बात हो रही है. All right. So we need VGM at waterline 3. So therefore, so I need the data for 3. So my for MCT for the displacement 9540, I need MCTC for 9540. So MCTC comes as 166. Then I need the LCF for this displacement. LCF comes as 72.949 meters. So having got the initial data, I write my formula for P3, TC into MCTC upon LCF. So P3 is equal to initial trim 0.78, final trim 0. So TC will be how much? 78 centimeters into MCTC 166 upon LCF 72.949. So P3 comes as equal to
177.49.
177.49. Okay. So this is my P, which is required for my vessel to go on waterline number 3 all over on the blocks. So I need the VGM. So मैंने P निकाल लिया है. So now I will find out W minus P. That is W initial minus P. This will give me the virtual displacement. That is equal to 9540 minus 177.49 या 5 एक ही बात है. That doesn't matter. So virtual displacement will come as equal to so much tons. This is the virtual displacement of the vessel. For this virtual displacement, I find out the